everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Layla, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a breakdown of my online and extra income for November 2022. Alright, so November was a really high income month for me, the highest I've ever had overall, and definitely from my online and extra income. Something I do want to say right now is that I'm using a ring light for the first time ever while filming, surprisingly. And I apologize if any of the lighting's off, but it is a little bit dark right now, so needed a light. All right, first we're going to start with my online/business income. I'm going to write these from smallest to largest. Usually I always mess it up, but feeling confident today. Smallest for November was actually coaching. So I do offer financial coaching. I do have spots available. In November, I only had one client, so that was $50 because that is a long-term client and he pays month to month. Next is Mediavine. Mediavine are display ads on my blog, livingLikeLayla.com. And this is basically this is passive at this point. I haven't written here for a very long time. That was $107.99. Next is Teachable. And Teachable is where I have my courses. I have a course on self-discipline as well as one on achieving goals. Made a couple of sales last month, well, in October, so I got paid out for that. $115.16 there. Next is direct support. So this comes from either Buy Me a Coffee or from people just sending money directly through Venmo, which is absolutely incredible. There are some people who choose to support me directly by doing that. And any of this money I put toward my student loan debt. But November was a strong month for that. That was $413.51, which is awesome. Very grateful for y'all. Very grateful for everybody who's here. But yeah, this helps significantly. Next we have YouTube or Google AdSense, so I'm just going to put it under YouTube. I do have two YouTube channels, this one that you're watching and then a lifestyle channel, which is always linked down below, but the bulk of this money comes from this channel. That was $849.68. I switched pens. The other one was dying. And then the last area, I have started combining these because I've had sponsorships lately that I'm really not supposed to disclose how much I receive from them. So I'm combining affiliate sales and sponsorships into one for November. That was $2,081.17. Wow. I have obviously never earned so much from my online income. So this was very new to me, very, very exciting, and I'm looking forward to what's to come because this is honestly just the beginning, and I'm very grateful to say that. As I keep saying in all my videos, this is, yeah, it's just absolutely incredible. If we add this all up, I made a total of $3,617.51. The most I've ever made in a month. This is pre-tax, by the way, so I do set money aside for my quarterly estimated taxes, and then I also have some expenses that I write off, so I'll share that in just a moment too. But just to clarify, this is pre-tax, so I don't get to keep every single dollar that you're seeing here. We're gonna come to the back of this notebook and fill in for my annual tracker here. Let me write 3617.51. And then on my tracker here, I'm going to get to color in the most that I've ever made in 1 month. So this is what I typically make in a quarter. So this is, yeah, it's absolutely insane. Altogether, so far this year, I'm at about 18,582. So we'll go 16, 17, 18.5-ish. Obviously it's not perfect, but big jump there. Much closer to 20K, much closer to 25K. I won't be hitting 25K in 2022. That was my goal for my side hustle income. That's okay with me though, because this is still so helpful for all of my financial goals and gives me a lot of hope for the future of my online work, and it's very motivating. Now let's talk about the extra income that I earned in November. This is everything outside of my business. First up is Discover Cashback. So I'm just gonna put Discover credit card. That I got $14.17. Next is my Citi Custom Cash credit card, cashback. That was $17.92. Number 3 is Fetch, which was a $25 Amazon gift card. So I'll put Amazon GC here. So Fetch is an app where you just scan your receipts after you go grocery shopping or shopping anywhere, and I cash that out for a $25 gift card. I do have my code down below. If you use that code, you get 2,000 points, and then you can start scanning your receipts right away. Bank of America cashback, that was $27.79. Ibotta, that's also an app that you scan your receipts, you get cash back on certain groceries that they end up having listed. It's like coupons after you go shopping. And from that, I got $37.50. I do have my referral link down below, or my referral code. Rakuten, this is also cashback. You just add an extension to your browser, and then anytime you go to a website, it will pop up saying, you know, you get 2% cash back or 10% cash back on this website. I always will use Rakuten if I'm doing online shopping. I've made hundreds of dollars from them. And so that was $107.84 in November. I get paid out like every 3 months or so. I also have my referral link down below for this. If you use that link, you will get $30. I believe it's $30 right now, or it could be $40 after you spend a certain amount using their browser extension. Next is Chase Cashback. So my Chase credit card. This one was big because I booked travel in October, so I got $194.51. Yeah, so I booked thousands of dollars worth of travel. My boyfriend allowed me to purchase it, and then he like paid for his portion of our travel, and I got a decent chunk back for that, because if you book through Travel Rewards, you get like 5% for flights or anything booked through them, so that is nice. And then the last thing here is my Google trade-in. So I had a phone, I had a Samsung, like an old Samsung, and Google was offering this much. They offered me $262.50. Well, that's what they gave me. So that's what they offered, and that's also what they gave me. So I traded that in, got the new Google Pixel 7. I think that's pretty good. That was the highest offer I was getting from, you know, anything, and it's probably even a better deal than if I were to sell that phone, because it had a cracked screen and all of that. So they have a really good trade-in program right now. I don't know how long that will last, so check it out if you're interested. That's everything for my extra income. Strong month here as well. Altogether, $687.23. Final thing to go over, my business expenses for the month. I would say, depending on the year, I spend like $2,500 to $4,000 on business expenses for the whole year. November was a bit higher. So I use Google Workspace. The price went up for me recently. So that was $16.80 for 2 of the accounts that I have with Google Workspace. I bought a ring light, which is what I'm currently using right now. That was $26.87. Got that off of Amazon. I think that's a pretty good price. It's a nice ring light, and it has like a few options, adjustable, all that stuff. Definitely does what I need it to do. And then the last thing here, the largest thing, is Teachable. So I do have to pay yearly for this. That was Teachable Pro, I think I have $348 even for that. Altogether, business expenses come to $391.67. Those are all my earnings for November. As I discussed in my November finance update video, this is more than my full-time job income. This is very close. Just the online income alone was very close to going past what I take home from my full-time job, but the two of them combined here definitely passes them. Obviously, you know, that's my take-home pay from my full-time job, and I have to pay taxes on this, so it's a little bit less. But I just did not expect this to happen for November. Very, very grateful. It gives me a lot of hope, because for me to make more money from my side hustles and extra income than my full-time job is exactly what I want to happen, because then I can get closer and closer to actually, you know, becoming an entrepreneur or turning these current side hustles into a full-time job. And, you know, that may take several more years. I don't know. It's definitely a risky move to make, and I am okay with working a full-time job for now. But this gets me a little bit closer, and obviously always helps my financial goals in general. So I was able to put more to my debt, I donated more in November, and just very, very happy about it. But if you have any questions, please feel free to comment those down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.